Hello everyone, welcome. So today we will be doing the second exercise of data handling. So coming to the first question, scores in mathematics test out of 25 for 15 students it is given. So we need to find a mode and median and we need to say are they same. So whenever we do this, first and foremost what we need to do, we need to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay, so first out of this, which is the smallest number? 9. So I'm putting this on the top, writing 9. Then after 9 we have 10. I'm keeping space and writing so that if I make a mistake I can put the number in between. 12. Then we have 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15. Then we have 16. See, the smallest number you see is 5 here. So I'm writing 5 here. Right? 5. Okay, 16. After 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 is there. Then we have 20. Another 20. Another 20. Another 20. Then 21, 22, 23 is there. So this is 23. Then we have 24. Then we have 225. Right? Then we have 25 and 25. Now see, are we having 15 numbers? Let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now we need to find the mode. So what is the mode of this number? The maximum frequent number, which is this 20, 20, 20, 20, which is 4 times. Fine. And what is the median here? Median is the middlemost number. So median is the middlemost number. Okay. So what is the median? So median, we have 15 numbers here. So what I will do, 15 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 16 by 2, which is the 8th term. 8th term is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20. Are they the same? Yes, they are the same. So let me once show you the median, how I'm coming to the middlemost value. See, 25, 5 gets cut, 9. So I'm just trying to find the middlemost value. This is the 4th term, 4th from the last. 5th term, 5th from the last. 6th term, 6th from the last. 7th term, 7th from the last. So you see the 20. Are we getting the 8th term? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th term. Fine. So if the number of observations is odd, then what do we do? N plus 1 by 2th term we take. Okay. And if the number of observation is even, then what we will do? N by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term, and we will do half of it. That will be the median. Okay. That is if we have numbers like 1, 3, 6, 7. So what we will do? 4 by 2 is 2. That is second term, and the third term we will take half of it. 6 plus 3, 9 by 2, which is 4.5. Right? That will be the median. Okay, next. Runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players, that is given. Mean, median and mode. Again, first I will arrange them in order. So the smallest is 6, then 8, then 2 tens are there, then we have 1, 2, 3 15s are there, then we have got among these 3 we have 50, then we have 80, we have 100, and we have 120. So let us check whether we have 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now what is the, first let us go ahead, let us find the mode of it. What is the mode? The maximum number of times what we have? 3 times we have 15. So mode is 15. What is median? Median, as I told you, 11 is an odd number. So 11 plus 1 by 2th term, that is 12 by 2, which is 6th term we are going to take, which is 6th term is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15. And what is the mean? Mean is add up all these and divide by 11. So it is 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 50 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120 whole divided by 11. So what is it? 6 plus 8 is 14, 14, 24, 34, 34, 64, 64, 79, 79, 129, 129, 209, 309. So it is 429 by 11, which is 39. So 39 will be your mean. So here 39 will be your mean, and so the question is, are they same? So no, they are not the same. Okay. Next question. Weights of 15 students in a class that is given, and then mode, median we need to find out, and is there more than one mode. Fine. So now we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Alright. So let us arrange these numbers in ascending orders. The lowest number is 35. The lowest number is 35. Then we have 37. We have 37. Okay, we have 36, then 37. 36. Then we have 37. Then we have 38. 38 and 38. 338. 38. 38. 38. 338. Then after that, after 38, we have got 42. So 142. Okay, we have one more lower, which is 32. Okay, 42. Then we have 43, 43, 243, 343. See, 43. Then 145, 147, 149, and then last is 50. Let us see if we have missed anyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, fine. So now the mode. Okay, so 15, to find the median, what we should do? We want 15 plus 1 by 2th term, which is 16 by 2th term, which is the 8th term. So what is the 8th term here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th term is 42. That is the median. Fine. And what about the mode? So we have 338s are there, 338s are there, 343s are there. So both of them will be the mode. So all those which have maximum number of times, so they are the mode. So 38 occurred 3 times, 43 also occurred 3 times, and that is why both are the mode. So my last question here was, is there more than one mode? Yes, there is more than one mode. Okay. Next, mode and median of these numbers. So let us first arrange it. The smallest 12, 12. So 2 times 12, I am writing the answer. 12, 12. Then we have 13, 13. Then we have 14, 14, 14. Then we have 16 and 19. 16 and 19. Okay, so it is there. Now find the median. So there are 9. So what is the median? Median is 9 plus 1 by 2th term, which is 10 by 2, which is equal to the 5th term. So which is the 5th term here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14 is the 5th term. And what is the mode over here? Maximum number of times which occurred? 14 occurred 3 times, which is maximum number of time. Coming to true and false. The mode is always one of the numbers in data. Yes. So mode is always one of the maximum number of the data which occurred maximum number of times. That is the mode. So this is true. Next. The mean is one of the numbers in the data. No. False. So you are finding the average. It may be within the data. It may not be within the data. Median is always one of the numbers in the data. This will be only for when the n is odd. If n is even, then this will not be the same, as I told you in the case of 4. 1, 4, 6, 7, which we were doing. So there. So it need not be one of the datas. The data, the mean is 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 14, 13. So what is it? If we can add and divide by the number of times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 datas. So I will show you this median matter also with this datas. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 9, 30. 30 plus 12, 42. 42 plus 12, 55. 55 plus 9. 55 plus 9, 64. So this is 64. The total, if I sum everything up, it is coming 64. 64 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So the mean is 8 and not 9. So this is false. If I have to find the median of it, what will I do? First I will rearrange the datas in ascending order. See, 3. Then we have 4, 6, 8, 9, 8, 9. There is one more 9. 12, 13. So I am writing 12, 13. So what is the median? There are 8. 8 is even. So what did I tell you? Half of 8 by 2th term plus 8 by 2 plus 1th term. Right? So what I am doing? Half of 4th plus 5th term. So half of 4th term is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Half of 8 and, sorry, half of 1, 2, 3, 4. Half of 8 and 9. So half of 8 plus 9, 17. So 17 by 2 is 8.5. So this would be your median. That is in between 8 and 9. Okay. So this is the median. Thank you.